alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So, could you tell me your full name, please?
Yes, sure, sir. My full name is Hafiz. You can call me Amara.
Good. Where are you from?
I am from Green Market near GT Road, Sahiwal.
Okay. Do you work or are you a student?
I am a student currently. I am pursuing my master's degree at University of Sahiwal in chemistry.
Okay. So, what are your hobbies or interests?
Sir, it's very interesting question for me. I have a lot of hobbies like painting, drawing, watching movies, reading, writing, etc. But my favorite one is reading Islamic novels, magazines, etc.
Okay, that's good. So, let's talk about your hometown. What do you like the most about it?
Yes, well, my hometown is Sahiwal. It is best place for me. It is a beautiful city with a lot of greenery. It is most peaceful city. The people of this city are very well educated and warming and friendly. This city is famous for agriculture and dairy items. That's why I love my city.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
So, my next question to you, how many siblings are you?
We are 5 siblings.
That's good. Very nice. So, thanks a lot.
Welcome.